In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include a recent visitor widget in WordPress, an easy tutorial for 2025. Whether you are a newbie or an experienced website owner, adding a recent visitor widget is a fantastic way to understand your audience better and enhance user engagement on your site. First things first, let's head over to wordpress.com. This is where all the magic begins. Once you are there, you'll want to locate the login button. It's usually at the top right of the page, ready and waiting for you to access your site's backend. Clicking on it will prompt a few options for logging in. For this tutorial, we're going to streamline the process by clicking on Continue with Google. This option makes logging in simple and secure by using your existing Google account credentials. As you proceed, you'll be directed to choose the Google account you want to associate with your WordPress login. Take a moment to ensure you select the account connected to your WordPress website to avoid any login issues. Once you've selected your account and you are successfully logged in, direct your attention to the right panel of the dashboard where you'll see quick links. Among these links you should see an option labelled Edit Site. Click on it to move to the next exciting steps of editing your WordPress site. Now that you're in the site editor, it's time to add the widget. Look towards the top left corner for the Add button. It allows you to insert new blocks or features into your site with ease. Click on this button to start the process of integrating a new block into your site's interface. Once the panel for adding new modules opens up, you want to utilize the search bar for quick access. Type in Repeat Visitor right into the search field. After typing, you should see a module named Repeat Visitor appear in the list of options. Click on it to highlight the widget, preparing it for integration. As simple as that, you've selected the widget for inclusion in your site. At this stage, you've achieved the central part of today's tutorial. By following these steps, you've successfully included a recent visitor widget into your WordPress site. This widget is going to offer valuable insights into who's visiting your site. Not only will this add a functional component that helps you track engagement, but it also enhances your understanding of visitor behavior, allowing you to make more informed decisions about content and marketing strategies. We hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more empowered to customize your WordPress site. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.